Hi, today we are at 1920 Montward Road. That's off Dunn Avenue by the Dollar General store. This is a nice two-bedroom home tucked away in a little secluded spot here, close to everything. It has a beautiful yard and it has a magnificent oak tree that is over 50 years old. And can you imagine sitting out here underneath the tree, under the shade? That's really nice. In the back here is a subdivision that was built. It's privacy fence. There's nobody across the street. That's a reserve. And you only have one next door neighbor here. That's blocked by the trees on the fence line. So it's really a unique piece of property. Let's go in and take a look. We open up into a little breezeway, is what they used to call it. The organ doesn't stay. Okay, so we enter the house through the double doors here. To the left, you have the living room. You got a dining room area here. You got 3 big closets closed for storage. Kitchen is very large. You've got a spot here for a nice size table, or a freezer can go right next to the fridge, and there's a little spot here for a breakfast table too, if need be. Got a dishwasher, wood cabinets, long lasting, got a fridge and a stove. This is a pantry, which has 3 big shelves here. Lots of space for storage. Okay, let's go check out the bedrooms. The main bedroom is a very nice sized. A king bed goes right in that corner. So you have 2 double closets here. You can hang, and then you got drawers here. Same thing on this side. You got a ceiling fan in here, and you do have a closed closet. Okay. Now it's kind of it's a shared bath in a sense here. You got to the left here is another large size bedroom, not as big as the first one, but certainly you can get a queen size bed in here on a couple different walls. And you got the closet here, double closet. Okay. A nice vanity here, a prep room, lots of closet or storage here, bath and shower. Nice. So this store closes, so you can be dressing and preparing for work here. And then there's a door here that closes. So you can close that and privacy that off, the bedroom's off, and then you're into the living room here. So let's recap here. So we got 2 bedrooms here, shared bath here, very functional. Let's see. A nice sized kitchen. Breezeway. Let's check out the garage. Okay, this is an oversized single car garage. All ready to go. Let's still look out the back for just 1 second here. Got a really nice patio area. Okay, pergola, what they call it, very nicely done. You can tell that it's been loved here. Got a nice little water feature, and storage shed comes with the property, and you've got a large garden area all back that way. Beautiful tree there. So there you have it. 1920 Montward Road.